This 3x3 tubing was super shiny about 2.5 months ago, and I was gonna get this metal inside and go get started on this dirt screener, and then I ended up getting sick and having my surgery, and so now it's all rusted. But I'm gonna start getting these pieces measured and cut up and grind them down a little bit on the ends and get them inside and start tack welding everything together. Well, this is one piece that's cut and prepped, ready to weld. Only about 10 or 11 more to go. So doing a little bit of elementary math, I was able to figure out what angles I need to cut. This screener is going to have an angle of 35 degrees, only because that's what AI said would be the best. I'm not really sure. I looked at a bunch of different sites and people have all kinds of different opinions, but I guess I'll go with the computer's opinion on this one. so it's pretty much done. The only thing I have left to do is drop it over on the front, paint the bottom, let that dry, and then I'm gonna go try it out. So it just finished raining, but I still want to go give this screener the community college try. It might be a little bit muddy, so I guess bear with me. Hopefully it works pretty well, but we'll see. So I think the screener works pretty well. Part of the problem is I'm kind of in this hole. It might be hard to tell, but the front's down the hill just like a little bit, so it's not really flat. So I don't really have my true 35-degree angle. And the other part is my tractor's not really tall enough for this dirt screener. And you might be wondering, why did I build it so tall? This dirt screener isn't actually for me, it's actually for my friend. And so if I was gonna build one for my tractor, it would be a lot shorter because I can get my bucket inside here. But he has a skid loader, and so the way we kind of designed this is we wanted to make sure that he could get in pretty far with the skid loader bucket. So my soil is basically just a rock pile, but this is pretty fine dirt. Like, this is stuff that I could go put on my grass and it would probably do pretty well. The rocks would kind of hold the topsoil in place. So I'll go throw this on my lawn, and then I'm gonna get this delivered to him.